do you think that the default flow of just fit transform BERTopic, does it favor short text or long texts? If somebody was doing either, titles or abstracts or very long documents, what would be your sense of what would you switch in the pipeline to support either long text or short text? Or is it just a good default for both kinds of text archives?
It depends mostly on the content of those documents. And, short text typically contain one topic, each document. It's a strong assumption, but it generally works. If you have long documents, there tend to be multiple topics in there, so we want to split them. But even in long documents, it can still talk about a single topic. So why would you then split it and multiply the same topic by 1,000 times, because you, from a long document, create 1,000 sentences? What you do have to do in those cases is take into account the model that you're using. Transformer-based models, although working exceedingly well, have token limits, which has been a big problem with long documents. You have long former and you have these kind of models, but there still aren't that many out there. So then instead you can consider back-of-words approaches, because those can take long documents a little bit better into account. So don't be afraid to resort to models that have been here 20 years. They still work exceedingly well in a lot of use cases.